is the update for the job in Preston for Resin Install. So we've cut the front noses out, all channels are cut out, so we're going to be putting double skin block nose front on the front, single skin around there, change the manhole covers to recesses, fill it with resin. It's the old wall footing. Whoever's done that should be absolutely ashamed of themselves. It was literally, we pushed it over. Well, we're coming to the end of the two jobs in Preston. Now I'm going to go clean out the mixer so it's ready for tomorrow. Transcendence the customer's gone with. I'm going to cut that tarmac back tomorrow. Chase it up with some black resin so it's nice and neat into the tarmac pavement and the block. Put a new wall in for it. Just spread it out a ton on blue slate. Job's looking neat. Let's see what this resin install looks like. And that's another one down by Resin Install. If you like what you see here, please like and follow our page, and we've got tons more content in the pipeline.